Today we will do this numerical problems. The question is, how far apart two protons be if the electrostatic force exerted by one to the other is equal to the weight of the electron. So let us solve it. So we will start with solution. What is we know here? So we know mass of the electron, mass of the electron, mass of the electron, let us say m, is equal to 9.10 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Then the weight of the electron will be, let us write it as W, will be equal to mg, which is equal to 9.10 into 10 to the power minus 31. This is the mass. We can write kg here into the value of g, that is 9.8 meter per second square. Then after calculation we get 89.18 into 10 to the power minus 31 Newton. So this is the weight of the electron. Now charge on proton. Charge on proton, we also know that, let us say write Q1, which is equal to Q2. Both of them are protons, so it is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. Now we can write it. Now the electrostatic force, electrostatic force between the protons, let us say write it as Fe. Electrostatic force between the proton will be equal to the weight of the electron. Weight of the electron, that is W. Okay, so now since we already know the weight of the electron, that is, I can write here Fe, which is equal to, now from here it is 89.18 into 10 to the power minus 31 Newton. So after that, let us substitute all the value. So by Coulomb's law we know, Fe will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square, where R is the distance between the protons. So let us calculate it. Now we already know this value of Fe, so, or we can write, instead of Fe, I will write it 89.18 into 10 to the power minus 31, which is equal to, instead of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1. Q1 is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into Q2. So Q2 also will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 again, divided by r square. So or here I can write 89.18 into 10 to the power minus 31. It will be equal to multiply this one and this one, all the numerical value, we get 23.04 into 10 to the power minus 29. Or I can write here divided by r square. So we want r square here, so or r square I can write equal to 23.04 into 10 to the power minus 29 divided by 89.18 into 10 to the power minus 31. So we write it r square, or I can write here, or r square is equal to, if we divide 23.04 by 89.18, we will get 0.258 into 10 to the power, here it is 29, here 31. When we bring it up, it will be instead of minus 31, it will be plus 31, so it will be only 10 to the power 2 remaining. So, or I can write here r will be equal to square root of all this value, so it will be 0.258 into 10 to the power 2. So square root of, or r will be equal to square root of this value, we get 0.5, and square root of 10 to the power 2, it will be only 10. So this is Newton. Oh sorry, it will be meter. R, so it will be meter. Or I can write here this one multiply that, or it will be 5 meter approximately. Okay, so let me do this one with calculator, because it will be more than 5 I think. So square root of 0.258, it will be equal to 0.5079. 0.5 instead of this one, I'll write 0.5079. So into square root of this value, it will be 10, so it will be meter here. So if I write this one multiply with that one, so it will be 0.79 meter. So this is the value. Hence you can write the two protons will be at a distance of 5.05079. So hence we can write here the two protons are at a distance of 5.079 meter apart. Hence the two protons are at a distance of 5.079 meter apart. This is your answer. So thank you.